Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy updo on thin or fine hair. To start, I'm going to put a loose curl through the hair and I'm just alternating the way in which I curl every time I take a new section. This doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to apply some volume powder at the roots. I'll pop the one in the description below that I'm using. So apply this all over the crown area. And then I'm just going to take thin sections and give them a gentle back comb for some more body and a little bit of lift on the top. I'm also going to add a touch of back combing along the side sections on both sides. Now I'm going to gather that crown area into my hand and just twist it a couple of times and slip a bobby pin through that twist. Then I'm going to apply some wax spray all over the top of the hair. Again, I'll list this in the description below. And then for a little bit more texture, just pinch and pull at the hair. Next, I'm going to take all of the hair from the ears upwards and I'm going to twist this towards the head whilst bringing it round to the back, and then just secure it with a pin slightly to the left hand side. And I'm going to get the same section, so everything from the ears upwards on the left hand side, twist everything towards the head, bring it to the back and pin it slightly to the right hand side. Now with the hair that's hanging down, I'm going to divide this in half and I'm going to pop each half into a ponytail using an elastic band. And then starting on that left hand ponytail, I'm going to split it in half so you've got a top and bottom section, and then holding it close to the root, I'm going to push the sections towards one another so they create two little loops. And then I'm going to tie everything together with a clear elastic band. Then use your fingers to really pinch and pull these loops apart for more volume. So with the tail ends, I'm going to pop my fingers through the elastic band at the top, pass those tail ends to my fingers and pull them all the way through so you're creating another loop. And then again, pinch and pull at that loop for more volume. And if your hair's long enough, you can do it one more time, so pop your fingers through, grab the tail ends and pull it all the way through. Then pinch and pull for more volume. And we're going to repeat the same steps on the bottom, so pop your fingers through a strand of that elastic band, grab the tail ends and pull them all the way through. And then loosen up that new loop by pinching and pulling. And then repeat one more time if you've got enough hair. And it is really that simple. So we're going to do the same steps on the right hand ponytail. So split it in half, push the two sections towards that elastic band, hold on tight to everything and secure it with a clear elastic band. And then stretch out those little loops. Pop your finger under the elastic band at the top, grab the tail ends and pull them all the way through, creating another loop. And then pinch and pull until you're happy with the volume. And repeat one more time if you can. Then we're going to do the same underneath, so using the tail ends from the bottom one, pull it through the elastic band, again pinch and pull, and then repeat one last time if your hair is long enough. Then we're going to use as many bobby pins as needed to secure this to the head. And I like to push the buns together and pin them through the middle so they don't look like two separate buns. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.